What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we got the giveaway Capri, and it actually crossed my mind that I haven't had you guys under this car in quite a while. Like quite a while. So let's check it out. Got it up here on the lift, looking everything over. Looks good. So like I said, guys, this is our giveaway Capri, and I've told you guys a bunch. This is everything out of my old car. See, Maximum Motorsports K member, and then of course the whatever those damn, they're Maximum Motorsport coilovers, but God, I can't remember what the hell. Eibach. No, not Eibach. There's something, but yeah. Full Maximum Motorsports up front. Look at this, no leaks. Isn't it wonderful? That's one great thing about the Coyote. They don't leak anything. And then of course my inch and 7/8 headers. And if you look right here, you can see these were hand built, guys. These are the ones when I went to Cook's in North Carolina. They hand built them on my car and then 3D scanned them. And that's what you buy now from Cook's. And there they are, beautiful headers. Of course, the Stage 3, the best built handling TR 3650 you can get. This thing, freaking bulletproof. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna say this will handle as much, if not more, than a T56. And I love the way it shifts. I kind of hate to see it go, but there it is. And then of course, this is the exhaust they built on the car. God, the leaves, my God. Anyway, this is the exhaust they hand built on the car. You can see all the welds. They hand built this on my car in North Carolina. That was a great experience. Yeah, had a great time doing that. But of course, got the Stifler's cross member, later model 8.8, and then UPR uppers and lowers. Got the strange adjustables. Oh, look at this, damn, my God. Strange adjustables on the back. She's good, boys. Freaking awesome car. Got the Maximum Motorsports full length subframe connectors on it. What I'm telling you guys, this thing is, it looks patina on the outside, so it, you know, it kind of has that older look, but it's got all the goods underneath it. Fuel system. I mean, this thing is legit. So real quick, while we're talking about the premium subscription, I had to give another big shout out to all the premium members, the current ones, and of course all the new premium members. We're growing. We need to grow faster, boys. We're trying to do some big stuff, and I can only do that with your help. So been around since 2018, awesome benefits, and we're taking it to the next level. So if you haven't signed up, hit the link right below and sign up, guys. I promise you'll always get more out of it than you ever put into it. Definitely worthwhile. But Dover's working on a project outside. Let's go check it out. Man, I see it already. Looking good. Beautiful freaking day in Tennessee. It's like 72. The sun's out. And no better day than to do Fox stuff. So these are the interior quarter trims for the Nardo gray car. And about to drop some black. Well, have dropped the first coat of black on it, but these are going to look great. You guys know, because of the roll cage, we're going to have to trim them out, and the car's mini tub. So yeah, these are going to come out great, and these are actually in really good shape too. I need somebody somewhere to start remaking interior quarter trims for Fox bodies. We needs them. Trying to recycle a lot of these old ones. I remember doing frostbites, and they were so sun-baked, it was just like, it would just turn to dust when you touch it. But luckily these are in good shape. So this week Dover got out here and did a little more on the interior. Put down a little more sound deadener on the inside here, but got the carpet on the tubs right here, which looks really good. And you're only going to see about half of them, but he went ahead and did the sides, and then got the new package tray put in the back, which came out really good. Stuck a seat in here just so we could pull it out. But yeah, guys, once that's all done, we can put the quarter trim in, bolt the cage back in, and put the carpet in. Of course, we got to sit here and cut all the holes and stuff for the roll bar, which should be fun. But the car's actually running really good. Still got to wire up the reverse lockout for the T56. Also, I'm leaving this week, guys, to take the Rat Rod Coyote swap down to AMP EFI. I'll be doing a little filming with them, talking about some of their systems. We're going to drop the car off. They're going to do some R&D work on it. But we're about to load this thing on the trailer, and I'm going to carry it down. It's northeast Atlanta area. Is where AMP EFI is. So this one will be gone for a little while. Cannot wait to get this thing, guys. Remember, 488 gears in the back, T56 Magnum. This thing's gonna be a handful once we get it back. All right, we're gonna get this thing out and do some rips. But you guys remember I took the headliner out, cleaned it all up, re-glued it, all that. I spent half a day on that. It's coming out again. Right. The Dakota. Oh yeah. Love it. It's so crazy. It's just like right all the car, but not. Tell you guys, if you've never drove a Coyote swap Fox body, you just have to experience to understand. It is too much fun. All right, playtime's over. I actually did get some parts in for the Capri from foxbody.parts. Let me bust this open, because while we're dying outside, I need to dye these. All right, so reached out to my good buddy Fox Body Parts. Reach out to him if you need anything, but he had some Capri A-pillars, so we're gonna dye them. He only had the gray, so I'm gonna dye them black. I'm not a red fan. Kevin, are you a red interior fan? No. How's that timing chain coming? You done?
No.
Oh, what are you doing here then?
Taking a break.
Hey, you rest when the job's done there, mister.
Oh, yeah, I will. You'll jump when you get done with it.
Yeah.
Oh.
But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dye these black. You guys remember it busted when I did the headliner? Fired right up. When you gonna put one on your car?
What's that?
ESS.
I can't even afford matching tires. I don't.
That's true. That's true.
I can't afford matching tires.
Ooh, son. A little rich on that cold start, ain't it?
Well, they need to be.
Ooh, God, yeah. Yeah, sounds good. About time to say goodbye.
Yeah, I like that exhaust on it.
Yeah, I do too. Bassani.
Bassani.
Stuff's expensive too. Man, you couldn't ask for better weather. It is freaking beautiful. Actually, you know what? I didn't put in the video yet. Today is Alex's birthday.
Is it? Happy birthday, bro.
No, he's 39. He's 39. He's not 25.
Happy birthday, man.
Yeah, we took him to the Mexican restaurant. They put the sombrero on his head earlier. Yeah.
What stupid Chevrolets? I miss all the fun.
Yeah, well.
Walking, they didn't do that.
All right, let me check on my A-pillars here. Oh, yeah. Look great. Not that you can see that because I'm throwing shadows. Yeah, that looks great. I'm sorry, guys. I wasn't doing them red. I think the black will look 100% better. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Being mini tubs with some.
Yeah.
That's probably ain't even 8-inch wide tri-bars. Freaking wild. That thing's got a savage cold start, dude.
Really?
Yeah. It's, of course, I mean, it's wide open headers. Idling great now.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah. Get a little heat in the motor. Yeah, definitely finished it up a little bit. I like it. Coming together. So, yeah, you got headliner material over there.
Yeah, carpet.
Got all kinds of good stuff. Carpet, which we're gonna have to cut. Pretty much everything. Yeah, we're gonna have to redo that headliner. All right, boys, lots and lots of stuff going on. By the way, got Capri's A-pillars all dyed black. I think they look great. I'm sorry, I just wasn't doing them red. If the winner wants to dye them back red, feel free. Not feeling it. But guys, lots of stuff going on. Like I said, I'm about to go to Georgia this week. Actually, tomorrow I'll have Pop's car out here. I'm going to get the pedals out, get those swapped, see how long. I'm hoping maybe we get the trans and everything in tomorrow. So next video we'll see. Pop's car will be well on its way, if not done, to back being a 5-speed. That's going to be a lot of fun. Looking forward to that. Of course, going down to AMP EFI. Lots of stuff going on. So make sure you're subscribed. If you're not a premium member, you need to hit that link right down below, sign up on the Patreon page, and get in on all the epicness we got going on. And in the meantime, if you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.